Starting around 27 September 2023, Chilliz especially is exchanging at $0.057 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06% in truly most recent 60 minutes, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. CHZ essentially has a kind of complete market cap of $429,230,076, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,718,731, which certainly is genuinely huge. This especially makes Chilliz, CHZ, beautiful positioning at 74 in the digital money market, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz in a real sense be genuinely worth in 2023 in an extremely large manner? Is Chilliz a truly wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Will CHZ cost essentially outperform its unequaled high, or so they explicitly thought? These in a real sense are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future, showing that starting around 27 September 2023, Chilliz especially is exchanging at $0.057 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $0.091, the normal really least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to for the most part be $0.088 in a kind of significant manner. Besides, CHZ can fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.097, or so they especially thought. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.080, which in a real sense is very huge. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086 in every way that really matters, significant way. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.083, exhibiting that while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.083 in an especially significant manner. CHZ Value Conjecture October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Chilliz basically is supposed to especially arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.082, which by and large is very huge. The CHZ cost could in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.089, with the fundamentally normal cost around $0.085, which most certainly is very critical. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Gauge November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of $0.085, while the kind of greatest determined cost in every practical sense is around $0.093, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The in every practical sense, normal cost for CHZ truly is basically anticipated to really reach $0.088 in November 2023, showing that Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082 in a kind of significant manner. CHZ Value Gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz essentially is gauged to explicitly be at around an extremely least worth of $0.088, which generally is genuinely huge. The Chilliz value worth can by and large arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.097, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars. Chilliz sort of past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been by and large diminished by 0.32% in its fundamentally current worth in an extremely enormous manner. Assuming that we especially look at the ongoing business sector cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz really is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, which in a real sense is very huge. The CHZ certainly is down to nearly 2.29% in the kind of most recent 7 days, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past essentially couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for commonly in any case, we don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource and certainly momentary in a truly significant manner. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ certainly diminished by 58.876%, taking out an incredible truly normal amount of $0.082 from its sort of current worth, which is very critical. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a genuinely decent purchase and open door for truly fast speculation, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 58.28%, and the cost for the most part coursed from an exceptionally least especially normal cost of 13 cents to genuinely greatest normal cost of 14 cents in the sort of beyond 90 days, so this unexpected down basically implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a fundamentally really great in every practical sense purchase, a potential open door for fast venture, or so they truly thought. Chilliz essentially is somewhere near 44.98% with the greatest most certainly normal cost of the coin certainly was around 11 cents and the truly least most certainly normal cost of in every practical sense was around 11 cents in sort of beyond 4 months in a fundamentally large manner. Chilliz value estimate 2023 facts. What will generally be Chilliz especially worth in 2023 in an especially enormous manner? The CHZ cost explicitly is determined to explicitly arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.097, with genuinely least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023. Genuinely further appearance how the 90 days cost change sort of is near 58.28%. And the value sort of circled from a truly least kind of typical cost of 13 cents to in every practical sense, most extreme in every way that really matters, normal cost of 14 cents in the in every way that really matters, recent days, so this unexpected down implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a sort of good truly purchase, a potential open door for by and large fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. Does Chilliz certainly have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Chilliz for the most part has an exceptional potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, which for the most part shows that Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086